Hello everyone, my name is Evelin Lindner. I'm the founding president of the Human Dignity and Humiliation Studies Network and one of the initiators of the World Dignity University Initiative. I would love to share with you one of the fields of interest that I have in my work. It is the role of dignity and humiliation for national sovereignty. I have been spending a lot of time in Norway and reading Norwegian history. There was a time about 1,000 years ago when Norway was being united. And I take Norway as one example. It happened in many other parts of the world, as you know. What did it mean to unite the country? It was a very, very, very bloody undertaking. It was one king who subjugated all other kings. So, Norway was united, and it is being celebrated today, the unification of Norway. When we think about it, then there is always a good side and a dark side. We have unity, however, we have also oppressive uniformity. When we take the principle of unity in diversity as a principle that operationalizes a dignified world, then it was not a dignified world. It was too much oppressive uniformity instead of unity. If we look at the world today, we might find ourselves in a similar situation. Today we are living in a world that was formerly fragmented, different national entities, units, polities, and it is being united. Currently, it is not being united as a world federation or as a world state, no. It is united, and we call it globalization. And who is the king now who unites us? And it's the big global corporations. We are united into a kind of global uniformity. Wherever we travel, wherever I move in this global village of ours, cities look alike. I don't know whether I'm in this city or on this continent, everything looks alike. I have to read the signs of the street signs to know in which country I am. So it's a kind of global corporate uniformity that we experience, rather than unity in diversity. So the king who unites us now, you could say, is the global corporation. And we see also how this has started. Often it has started with trade. For example, colonization has started with trade. In the beginning, all players are treated as equals. You trade with trading partners. However, as we know from the history, how did colonization proceed from trading to taking over? The economic power was at some point being translated into political power. And this is, I think, where we are now and where we have to find solutions. So at the moment we are living in a world unified by global corporate power. However, the fragmentation into nationalist sovereign entities, this mixture doesn't bring unity in diversity, it brings uniformity and lack of diversity. So how can we change this? How can we realize, manifest true unity in diversity in our global human family? How can we do that? This is the question, to national sovereignty. Divide and rule has always been one of the tools for domination. Divide and rule. Are we not victim of this tool today in the global world? Thank you very much for your interest, and I hope to hear your reflections in the future. Thank you so much.